Hello everyone, welcome to General Measures channel. In this guide, we will explain how to use the external setpoint mode operation of the GMC-X3 weighing controller. External setpoint mode refers to converting an externally given analog value to control the flow rate and achieve the target flow rate value. The GMC-X3 controller provides three working modes: constant analog output mode, loss in weight dosing mode, external setpoint mode. In this section, we will focus on the operation and troubleshooting of external setpoint mode when the X3 is connected with a touchscreen. Before using this mode, please make sure weight calibration are completed. On the main screen, log in as the administrator, enter the password 6 zeros, and tap Login. Tap Menu, go to System Parameters, then select Mode Setting. Tap the button next to Work Mode, and in the pop-up window, choose External Setting Mode. In general, using the default values of the parameters is fine. But if the following problems occur on site, refer to the below troubleshooting steps. When there is a situation where the flow is unstable, on the main interface, click Menu, User Parameters, Flow Parameters. Adjust two parameters, sample interval time and sample numbers. The larger the sample interval time, the fewer weight samples are collected, resulting in more stable flow. The smaller the sample numbers, the fewer weight samples are collected, resulting in more stable flow. When the analog adjustment slows down, first, confirm the current analog control mode. On the main interface, click Menu, System Parameters, Mode Setting. In the Mode Setting interface, click the box on the right side of the analog control mode and select either PID control or proportional control. If the control mode is PID control, go to Menu, User Parameters, PID. In the PID interface, reduce the values of coarse PID control period and fine PID control period. The smaller these cycle times are, the faster the adjustment of real-time analog output is. If the control mode is proportional control, go to Menu, User Parameters, Proportional Control. In the proportional control interface, reduce the value of single analog adjustment time. The smaller it is, the faster the adjustment of real-time analog output is. Once the settings are complete, the adjustment of real-time analog output is faster. This concludes the troubleshooting of external setpoint mode. If you'd like to learn more details about this instrument, feel free to contact General Measure.